Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to be showing you guys how I achieved these beautiful ombre lips using a foundation and a concealer. So if you want to see how I achieved this, please keep on watching. And before we dive into the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, please. So this is the foundation I use. Is the Maybelline Super Stay in the shade 375. Yeah, I am going to use that foundation to line my lips, and yeah, I will allow you guys to watch as I do so. You can improvise if you are a lover of brown lip stains. Me, I love brown lip stains a lot, and sometimes I always enjoy working with very dark ones. So when I can't get it in lipsticks, I just use my foundation to just replace a dark brown lipstick. So I did it and I love it, and I decided to share it with you guys. This is not my first time doing it. I have been doing it, and I said, why not share it with you guys if not? So when I was done applying outlining my lips with the foundation, I applied the Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn in the middle of my lips. So after applying the concealer, I didn't use a brush to blend the concealer and the foundation together. I just used the old method, which is smacking your lips. Okay, and that is it for this video, guys, and thank you guys for watching to this point. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.